This is called the tabletop. This is a variation of the bird dog. The objective here is to activate the contralateral muscles to allow for a good base of support and overall core stability with your spine. So in this position, your hands should be and your wrists should be under your elbows and straight under your shoulders, so you can see that nice straight line down from the shoulder, and the knees should be under the hips. Hands are shoulder width apart, knees are hip width apart, and the feet are slightly closer together. They're not wide. So common errors in this position are dropping the head might be down, or too high, your head is lifted up, you're looking forward. So we want to have that nice neutral spine, like someone's pulling a string up through your spine. Other errors, dropping the abdomen, so going into more of a cat position or a camel. And also people tend to put their arms too wide. So if your arms are out too wide or your knees are too wide, then that's going to affect your stability. This is very similar to the position of the 3-month supine, but you're just on your hands and knees. So there's a couple different progressions that we can work through with this position. The first one would be raising an arm, so maintaining that neutral spine and breathing into your tummy, maintaining that intra-abdominal pressure. Slowly bring the arm up and then back down. So you can see Dr. Sarah is not moving much beyond the arm. So she's maintaining stability throughout the rest of her pelvis and her spine. The next progression would be using one leg at a time up into the air. You're lifting the leg, trying not to twist or torque your pelvis, and maintaining that neutral spine as you breathe into your abdomen, using your core to stabilize. This is much more challenging than it looks. A lot of errors occur here with torquing. People twist their pelvis and rep it out. This is not about the number of reps you're doing. This is about slow, controlled movement. The next progression would be to use the opposite arm and opposite leg as you raise them into the air. This becomes more challenging, and you'll probably notice that one side is more difficult than the other.